Welcome to Dream Homes Tour, Luxury Designs, where elegance meets imagination. In this journey, we step into spaces that redefine what it means to live beautifully. Every wall, every texture, every light beam tells a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and the pursuit of perfection. These homes aren't just places to live, they are works of art, designed to awaken your senses and inspire your dreams.
From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls, every space is story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams we build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe.
As we move through these magnificent spaces, notice how design and nature blend in harmony. The soft glow of natural light, the serene balance of colors, and the timeless materials that whisper luxury. Every detail, from the architecture to the ambience, speaks to those who crave both sophistication and comfort. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself here, surrounded by peace, beauty, and inspiration.
Curves and stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space.
As we walk in, we're greeted by an open concept living space bathed in natural light. Marble floors, custom lighting, and high ceilings give this home a feeling of both warmth and grandeur. The interior is dressed in neutral tones with accents of gold and black, modern yet timeless. A floating staircase, sculptural art pieces, and designer furniture complete the space, elevating every corner to a work of art.
The sound of silence, stillness and air. Oh, design your world.
This home includes a private cinema, wine cellar, infinity pool, home spa, and smart home technology throughout. The kitchen, chef-grade with state-of-the-art appliances and designer finishes. Bedrooms are luxurious sanctuaries, each with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets.
To open doors, luxury's life, and so much more.
Whether it's a modern mansion in Los Angeles, a countryside retreat in England, or a coastal villa in Spain, each property invites you to dream beyond the ordinary. This is not just a home tour, it's an experience, a reminder that beauty can be lived, touched, and felt.
Where elegance begins, marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls, every space is story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams,
If you're captivated by luxury architecture, inspiring interiors, and the art of refined living, then this channel is your destination. Subscribe to Dream Homes Tour, Luxury Designs, for more breathtaking journeys inside the world's most extraordinary homes. Turn on the notifications and let every new video take you somewhere you've never been, yet always dreamed of.
how we live, how we believe. lights above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision.